We invite you to Catch the Wave, West Africa Vision Expedition. About 5 years ago, our field here in Guinea decided that we wanted to do something to encourage people who have a desire to discern whether they really are cut out for missions or not, to have an opportunity on the field to be able to express that desire. We invite people from North America to come out for a medium term, not just a short term, but more of a medium term commitment of 9 months to 2 years to experience Guinea language and culture.
We have discovered ourselves that being here has caused us to really know God better and change. And that's what we hope will happen for these young people as well.